So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to use any song as a ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So the first step is to get the song onto the phone. So whether you're downloading it, whether someone sent it to you, whether it's your own song stored on your phone, it doesn't. I'm not going to show you where to get the songs. I'll just make sure you have the song on the phone. Okay. So mine is here in the Files app, in My Files, inside the Downloads folder because I just downloaded this song. Okay. So at this point, the most important thing you want to do is make sure this song is in the Ringtones folder. Okay. So you want to long press on the song and then copy or move depending on what you want. I'm just going to go ahead and copy. Now, with the song copied, you want to go into internal storage. Okay, so internal storage here. And in the internal storage, you want to look for the Ringtones folder. Here it is. You have the Ringtones folder. So tap on that and then select copy here. Now, with the song inside the Ringtones folder, now if you go to the settings of your phone, let me just go back to the main settings page. If you go to the settings of your phone and then go to sounds and vibration and then go to ringtone, you'll actually notice that when you scroll down, under the custom category, you should find your song there. Okay, so here's my song. I can select it, and that's going to be the ringtone of my phone. So that's my new ringtone, and I've set it for eSIM 1. If you want it, you can also set it for the other SIM card. Just scroll down to the custom category. All your custom sounds and songs should be in this list, and you can pick any from there and set it as a ringtone. You can also select it as a custom ringtone for a specific contact. You can do anything you want once you add the song into the ringtones folder. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section and we will get back to you. Good luck.